Hey guys, if you're trying to play Destiny 2 but the game keeps lagging, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you some optimizations you can make to improve the performance of your game and to reduce that unwanted lag. So let's jump straight into it, and the first thing we need to do is head over to our start menu and search for settings, then tap on the settings icon, and from the left here come all the way down to Windows Update and just press this check for updates button here, and ensure that you're running the latest version of Windows, as outdated software can cause performance issues and can potentially slow down our game. Once you've updated your system, come all the way down to advanced options, come down to delivery optimization, and we want to make sure where it says allow downloads from other PCs, you need to make sure this is disabled, as by disabling this will also improve the performance of your PC. Then from the left come over to the gaming tab. Inside of game bar, make sure game bar is disabled, and then come back inside of game mode, and you need to enable game mode, as this will apply some optimizations to improve the performance of the game. Then whilst we're still in the settings menu, come over to accessibility from the left hand inside of visual effects, and make sure all three of these are disabled, especially animation effects, as this really slows down our PC. We can then come out of the settings window, and next thing you need to do is right click on your taskbar down here and select Task Manager. Then from the Task Manager, we're going to order this list by which ones are consuming the most amount of resources just by pressing the CPU button here. And you need to end any applications that we're not currently using. For example, I'm not using Epic Games, so I can right click this and select End Task. Just make sure not to end any applications that you're not sure what they are, as they could be important processes. Once you've shut down any background applications that are resource heavy, we can come out of the Task Manager, and you need to come over to your start menu and search for Control Panel. Then tap on the Control Panel icon, make sure View By is set to Category, then come inside of Network and Internet. Inside of Network and Sharing Center, and then select Change Adapter Settings from the left hand. You need to locate the Wi-Fi that you're currently using. For me it's this one. Then right click and come into Properties. Come over to the Configure tab inside of Power Management, and make sure this box is unchecked here where it says allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, and press OK to save your changes. Then we can close out of here, and we're going to come back to our start menu and search for Control Panel once more. Tap on the Control Panel icon, and this time we're going to change View By to Large Icons. Come inside of Power Options, and you want to ensure that the High Performance Plan is selected. We can also come into Change Plan Settings, inside of Change Advanced Power Settings, and from this list you should see something called Wireless Adapter Settings. Click on this list to expand it. Inside of Power Saving Mode, make sure both the on battery and plugged in is set to maximum performance. We can then press Apply and OK to save these changes, and head out of this window. Now we're going to ensure that our drivers are fully up to date by coming back to the Start menu and searching for Device Manager. Then tap on the Device Manager tab, and first thing you need to do is come down to Display Adapters to expand this box. Then you need to locate your graphics card. I have two graphics cards installed onto my computer, so I'll need to do this for both. But just right click on your graphics card, come into Update Driver, and then we can search automatically for drivers. As you can see, I'm already running the latest driver on my device. Then head out of this window, come down to Network Adapters to expand this box. Right click on your network adapter. It should be called something like Intel Wi-Fi, or at least have Wi-Fi in the name. Then right click on it and select Update Driver, and once again we can search automatically for drivers. And once your drivers are fully up to date, you can close out of these windows. And the last thing we're going to do inside of our computer settings is head over to the Start menu and search for CMD. Then right click on Command Prompt and make sure to run this as administrator. Inside of here you need to type in the following command: ipconfig /flush DNS, and hit enter. You can then head out of this command prompt window, and the next thing we're going to do is head over to our Steam application to launch up the Destiny 2 game. Then, once you have launched up Destiny 2, you need to press Escape key on your keyboard to bring up the Settings menu. Come into Open Settings inside of the Video tab. Now, in order to apply the best optimizations, we need to make sure window mode is set to full screen. It's important you have this set to full screen and not windowed full screen. The resolution should be your native monitor's resolution size. VSync, we need to disable this by turning it off. And then come down to the graphics quality section, and you want to change this custom to low. But we're going to put the texture quality back from low to medium, and we're also going to turn depth of field off. And then we can press enter on our keyboard to apply these settings, and you'll need to restart your game in order for these changes to take effect. And that's it guys, hopefully by following all of these steps that's reduced any lag that you're experiencing in Destiny 2. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.